because your brain is about reminding you that you have to experience the story of a film deeper and brighter than other events. This story becomes unconsciously more important to you, even if the film was bad. In a study published in the New Zealand Journal of Teaching and Learning in 2011, researchers have brought together children from different racial and economic backgrounds to participate in a variety of storytelling activities. Evolutionary biologists say that the human brain has developed the ability to tell stories, imagine them and dream while we are able to talk. This is what Jonathan Gottschall, who shares this joke in his beautiful book The Animal Teller, calls the witchcraft of this story. That's why our brains are biologically programmed. Scientists say the neurons who shoot together run away together, because the brain works better at the same time. The likelihood that the brain will remember this work increases exponentially. And in a circle, the more we know our own story, the more oxytocin is released into our brains. You didn't understand when the boundary between reality and the world of history began to disappear into your brain. Something amazing happens when information comes from history, not just simple facts. Our brains become clearer and brighter. For a while, being miserable, hating each other, they start telling stories about their personal lives, their parents and, of course, their dreams. Scientists have found that even if children don't share their stories when they just read stories, they feel sorry for each other. His brain probably dragged him to the end of the story. But how could we do that if there was no written language to record what we learned? How did we survive? Of course, the answer was stories. We produce oxytocin when we see it, so we understand the history of existence when we see it.